za program ndi Boaz Tumusije kandi za kwa tugamba arashobora kubyutegeki namnunga turukurebera izoba uwo president wa Uganda General Dr. Museveni aragarira impapuro izo kwesimbaho tayari wasitira karitu za program ndi Boaz Tumusije elizoba turaganira arashobora kubyutegeki namnunga ugamba kwa mukuru w'ihanga mutekateka western sari kwa Museveni kuza amugamburu zainere hariya upload 10 right John kutoba chadondo bana gare papara za kwesimbaho kacyama mu enere mu hangariona kandi kwatindira enere mu akaruka president General Museveni naza kubashenkirizwe abakuru kandi cyo cyashindira umuntu uko yanikisa kandi kuko muri iyo papara wenka tanye maisa mu bendera that was a Garurchiko or delegates conference of Muhamia. For now, I am opposed. So to that level, General Museveni kwa kumaraka nikisa ijunjanye manisachi umburo wa hafu umburo bo mishoho no umburo bo mishoho no twakweta short term, mid term and long term. Nawe harho ichibiroho esabiteji abikigombe kisa HPFF ikigombe cyo kwemberwa Elias Rukwago cyatangiye abantu abayihagwire FGC na jana nkumbi bakaza katonga kigombe kuba amaze gucanikisa hakirumu ubunda bamazina bakwenda kumenya ya Kampala yaso kwabo bana yose mu Uganda na Rucho Francis na no akwa petro mwabo kutabesije uri mu cyumba abo bayanzire bakorenda gano n'ikigombe cya Alliance for National Transformation ikigombe cyatangiye ko byo mu cyamundo bicezana n'abagire bakora hamwe na munongo mukaruka bona ke 2000 aranamukaga mbena kumanya umukago no kumanyisa ki emikago yose yo koroga tumuri na kaga nebi ubakaba kayeka muri UPC and ever since mukago benebo na munonga twanza umukago ejo yanelebe juma okutengeza baba bari mu government naro kutunga ubusingo mu karuru myuturaganiro mukashishaka mpaka shamukaga izihamba omustudio zinyine omukuru tunawe John na gabusongana no inarimo tunawe John tumazumanya tutamwini akaro ataze umuguswe mutegatekamu hatari nabaje no mwana maporo tumusime kare na rubi chumbe cha NT na no kwisimba wa MP wa Chozi omu district ya Shanga nyine umwami pole katwire karamuzi obunomwezi wa RCC ahabamba City Central kandi no mu movement ayosere ari umwanditsi mukuru w'ikigombe cya NRM umwanya yatetebe akacana nyine umwami ariko ansere kudukora na rubi chumbe cha PFF byo n'abadotera
murere kurungi nimbendeza program nonje
ngurusaka cyane
ari nakera
aporo abadotera namuze
yabare munonga bawaza kuntayisa yaparo tumusime kayagana ngo mazina ganje korwa mu kibine cya Alliance for National Transformation kandi bawaza kuko wawakigambere umusande yahuye nkapikinga forms expression of interest forms mu kibine cya Alliance for National Transformation kushabe bendera ngonjwekere abantu banyabushozi y'umushengero ryihanga kandi abantu banyabushozi uko ntwe nimbagambira of course kugira ngo nyenda kwata mezi ngahindure vinyo nke byose yakoze rabo kuba tumurundu kubanza kugira ngo MP ebinyoshozi ngo neza kutunga member wa parliament member wa parliament bose reyo kureke kitu no kugira ngo tugezeho tutunge namba ziri kumara mu parliament abo kuba okutekati yakona no kuba twantwara population twaja ngo budget declaration yakagamba ngo 15% ya budget shirwa nezo mbintu byamagara tukureba abo nchishobora twata instead percent mpango ya budget tujito security ninga ntsakusisha sente mu makago bwa president kandi hari ibintu bwasa ko ingira abanyasa abantu banyabushozi nimba iga kutandikira rweta mu kwija kuno mukayanja kanyaryero yo no kujetorora kugira ngo izo yari yashyikire mu nyongere yonzo mu parliament tutunge namba zikumara tubase kutebekana si hangeri yabare munonga
so
yes tunakache ko burunka kuburwa mu amedana mugara
and then primary design mustera muta benalo bitongo
well
gachurura maybe ninyenda kumanya ngo mayabahazi ba NTV bari yabakwasa kuzumu modeli mu primary zo kwibendera
well no ntushaba no picking a form jizo gitwarayo ka kubarondi yijo shabe form ejo harengo rwa constituency ninga amwanyi go kubesa imbereho electoral commission ije shitama yabashuganisa kandi kwa mutikiriza yine umukubashuganisa omwe beta ba members ningashiba abantu bakusubscribing mu anti umushweke echo abantu bo bashara muso tune factors nyingi in fact omukarura ka hwiraho muri mbara State North for example tukagera mu akaruru ka primaries yes
abantu banga ba LT abakumbedera no kwa delegates ya mwana muselect college
yes
how many numbers
none abamanya taka bamanya
well tuino buchiko abantu batana district tuina abantu batana magombora tuina abantu batana parish abantu bashiruka performing and so fresh konka no ndagushomera amazina gabo Boaz because I don't understand the question
aba district chirwana bae chirwana twire
Boaz you want me to read
ya tar mwana ni mwana
destination one name
Boaz okay
na mkonga mizina na mu Cyuhura district
coordinator wa Cyuruhuresha Heji Alliance for Transformation bamweta mu banyi Sebastian na araganya burunga muri Kitura nonda
ogwe ni mumanya
yes uwikireza
ogwe ni mumanya
yes abasaba abantu bariyo nyowe ndi spokesperson kandi ninye mobilizer abo yes orukure minyeto bamweta akampa no mumanya naone wa Kitura
gamba mazina
abo njye bari mu Kitura
ayibisubwe Dennis ubwo naragacho noni kandi nwakura ubwo no wakana wakata
kandi wari mu shogo nyakire ko muri bagenzi banje abugina Elizoba kandi mu kwakire mu wanjye Boaz ndamisa abantu mwe n'abarigeno batureba ndekindi kandi wari umugisha gwanjye nsime ngenda kusima munonga kukera munonga ba candidates bona betsimbire aba members of parliament amena nabwameye for us we are very happy and so glad kugira ngo we have disciplined candidates still in this ben tukarebere makazi bukona para city of course yindo yinkukora so ngenda kabasima munonga kugira ngo mune discipline nora ompate pate namunyo kunyaho nande ka chairman wa NRM wa ambao wa electoral commission I don't know the constitution chegamba ngo wale kagita kibedi singiro real nyoko na abantu nkanye no kushoborozi nande disqualifying one of the candidates mwenda bakwenegeze program kaje kushanga imotoka kwa imotoka abantu kwitana kebyo kusheshaga mankebi is unfortunate I condemn real kugita mbara sete tune disciplined candidates abesimbira wa miyabona nakadaza ba NRM nabesimbira abo members of parliament nakadaza barungi so we are doing well kandi ati tunamwangira of course wari mu office ya RCC ibyo kumebyange tinakibirumu so atam now a disciplined person I don't have side umukaba abesimbira bona I will only support the flag bearers
so kuba general secretary cyo kachirwa
Rejeje of course kachirikura and general secretary ati no matake no moja ndiyabugwamo
ande ikipori yanagamba ho turira makuru agal disturbing kuruga isingiro ngo mombe isimbira kwa silipichi abantu yazosya agana makuru kutunyira ka disturbing ninyata ya rusti niza gachondo je nagabuheju naho mukazi ngo atire register umukazi wa mombe isimbira
ko
incumbent
registrar
Olive Boy cyenga yatera register wa NRM icyo banzo mukazi kutera umushije cyo ngani ni mcumbi
no cyacenda tumenye ngo amuterire cyacenda tumenye ngo amuterire
no umuntu urukwenda kuba registrator okay
registrator already any reason or justification for slapping someone
abo kuba aporo umuntu uri MP already umuntu gwa MP gumwe no gukora amateka so umuntu nubwo ko yakushagiza okutera umuntu tishigambo mateka ngo ukikore so ningira ngo she failed answer mu abantu batari namusyo
abarukutureba hatayaro West TV nimbaramusya murire muta nintangira batahi banje bunye na hapano nanyi ninyitangira kubatibya ngushikuru gibanda kwijja kuno nguto zikasisikara no ija kingi kitagurro kukanimba bazaranga twashikaha benu reka tuganire
okay John Kantane kaniwe Elizoba Westinisa Yuru Kapita Museveni nagara empapara effectively aba yahandikwa abo kwate bendera ya NRM mukaruka president akoma kugurukwisha icya kabiri kugaragamo kuba chairman wa party injo myaka 5 president watwarayo wabana kwakira form zo rwa mukaga akagera ngo kwabe naraba mu program za government na mnonga parish model yashanga obuchiko na nabantu bakumuhiga ngo agaraka yesimbe yacwa mungu ashendekeza abanyayuganda okukira mnonga bijukuru injo myaka 5 yajya mu banyime myaka 5 tuje turekerabe ebintu nibire binkwenda kuye mu kibuzo cyo kubanza president agaraka kwesimbaho njamanyisa ki abo short term mid term and long term cya kabiri banyime myaka 5 turekerabe. What did you make of that statement?
Webale muno president nakozere social contract na abantu y'emyaka 5 so nabo cyo kugira ati mumpe mandate ni y'emyaka 5 emyaka 5 bwerahwa nimwe muragaraka nantujya kurebera abaho wirobo ningira ngo we cannot draw conspiracy theories out of that statement. Echo kubanza president nka candidate we no mwenarem abeine kuoleka okwenda kwe kwesimba hantebe yabenanda kwesimbaho specifically okwatera movement flag kandi ne kuba national chairperson. Indeed sub-region zone zarabiremu empango nenche okonora twine original sub-regions 18 konka hini satu zizire zikayongera ho banyuma hate sub-region zone aberenemwe president azetorwire kandi zona zibenze mukoraho zibenze kora endorsement endorsement no kumusabaza musaba ngo agarike ayesimbe kandi na district zone memorandum zazo zibenze somwa ba chairperson ba parliamentary caucuses nabo babe beiza batamu cyandiko cyabo mbasaba ngo president agarike nka candidate kwebembera pate no kwatara inari mu flag so
mwena byaryo mu campaign
muka president wa kuliriza ningira ngo kibe kikire kugira toke people have talked, I have listened, and I am going to do what they have requested me to do.
Okay.
Number 2, itwe ngainarem twine captain wetu twine striker wetu murungi twine cyatusasize twine nsonga yona wachi tutakumuhagira ikindi songa ya kasatu ihanga steadily aruvugire omumeiso ya steered this country omubya peace and security omubya entunguka ihanga ekwaterine nebya international economy na habwecho ene sound minded person ningira ngo no bakubire utalo rwango no bakubire bagenzi bita bari mu opposition bakubene basaba kugira candidate nga president Museveni abukuba mu politics no yenda win to kwenda face ya candidate ni sachi to kwenda hate kandi to kwenda wait so omuntu owali a serial winner like president Museveni
no nda win then win kugikoresa ki
win no gikozesa ebiruburwa by'abanya Uganda nali aspirations of Ugandans ebiruburwa ebyo ne ba number 1 nukugira obusinge omuyihanga ngakora ekinkwenda number 2 nukucyaha abantu obuhereza omu sectors zitali zimwe na zimwe especially social services ngo marwaro ngo masomero nangwa no infrastructure eyelumu amaizi amasanyarazi emihanda na teknolojia ebintu ebyo halohe bimwe ebikiriyo bitumbagira ebitakashikire hasemiri kuba but at least there is progress kuba tugendera ha parameters esemirire kuba nizidefininga nali obumanyiso indicators ezokoreka ngo hanu health sector yes nso kujwa mu health center for somewhere tukasanga haloho mubazi gwa sukali gutaliyo konka health sector soko indicators iki ezokumanya ngo we are improving and those indicators are there. One of them of course ni obwire bw'omuntu average obwire bw'omuntu akomara ahangeire ubuntu bumwe. Number 2 ni distance kuruga aho umuntu ari okuka ahaso kusabira obujanjabi. Number 3 ni indwara izabenze kira kwita abantu government ene takayizire na hatu kukuzikora. Number 4 ni bintu bikwaterine na mortality rate na abana abakuzarwa kuba hazarwa abana 10 ababene bake emyaka 5 nebengahi abakugichate nebengahi. So those are the parameters za health sector tukuri kugira ngu I knock on a health center and I find there the drug. That is not enough. So no kujya mu education there are also parameters there naho hariye bizubi byabo especially enrollment kutandika neye kumara there is a gap there konka kuba tujya hacyaro x inibanda o umucyaro cyogu nso kusanga abana bengahi abatakujya hisomero nso kandi buri bakaba bari bengahi nso kusanga abantu bengahi abali hansi y'imyaka 40 abatakuma kwandika no kusoma. Those are all parameters in those social service sectors.
Answer abayenaremu at least warebera structures ezarigire kukorwa omwihanga lyona tariho structure nemwe level yona yahakanise okwesimbaho kwa Gen Museveni. So at least hariho unity and harmony around his candidature. Aside opposition taro kwichezana ahantu harabe candidate umwaka ugurukwisha tukushote na rimwe bebembire on preparation
abare munonga omukubanza nyangwanka bantekateka ngo NRM ni yamani konka korugumano kora ebintu bingi ni bya unfoldinga
niboneka washika
ocheza kuchetegereza oshanga ngo bambe na irinke bine bindi aruka scenario kamwe akunkwenda ku buildingira ho point yanje numanye turi mbururu bwa primaries azoko witwibanda omumuro bakandidate sante be yabacyara agenda ahurangu hizire sente zeminyeto babiri batorine ombukiko bwa NRM Burusero. So kuyabira ryo natambura yashiko mugomborero yo wabo yababuza ati bitimwe minyeto mwatungire sente minyeto ngo sente zitashe ati bakasindika sente zo mukiko bw'minyeto bra. So kwaheza kukigamba no manya politics so kuziri buri omwe ecyarukurana na yenda kitembereho hati chairperson wa NRM ayirukanga speed akwataba kwebembere minyeto arengo rwa district ababuza ahabwa sente zitaragire ahanso minyeto aho naho ayakira abana abasiba neshahidi bari mu cyome bwanyuma yo kubasiba hati benda complainants babe bari yeminyeto abatarashikirweho sente zabo kuza kwetorora bashanga obukiko bwono bw'eminyeto aha LC akakakiko kabantu abana batanu akeminyeto aha LC bashanga umuntu akaba kwate chipapura user ni transfer mu katwire pore turnawe John Boaz tumwesije ngo nubo baza aha kakiko keminyeto. So hata hituru kugambira osibera abana chairperson wa NRM arstaka tayine buzurizi kandi ubukiko bwakubire nova nka complainants already tuburiyo just bakakwata forms bafiringa amazina g'abantu bataro. So echo kikoreka ngo ezi structures orukumbuza nguzoni zesima habo kugira ngo zitungire candidate already structures ziriyo nahabwe echo omuntu arukwesima
ngo echo kiri hangariyo
omuntu arukunyoki
ako ni kibanda bikanote
no manya
kuva gumizamo
waza kubara umushenyi notandikira umugombi gere byabo.
But you should also know ngo bukiko bwa youth nubwe miringo ibiri halo haka league ya NRM halo na youth council ya electoral commission. So he should not confuse the two. Nagambe structures kugamba ya NRM storkata kugaba sente na kumi chonka no halo seriona omu Uganda omulirizo. There is no any single village in Uganda or Uganda where the youth league or any other league was given any money for any activity. Kiriyo muto gogu ngo muntu
abahire sente
no one
ati iwe kankoreke aho kuba
no even the chairman of Uganda can verify
omuntu shemerirwe omukwehandikisa kwa president Museveni nuwe wenyine kandi na n'omuntu oshabire president Museveni nabasa kubari wayike Museveni ashabire tubuhabwa ukatari umunya Uganda ashabire president Museveni okuyija kwesima ahabo kuba wenyine
itorere endorsement so kwetore hangariyo including ibande yo rukoraba
eze endorsement ezo rukugamba hatu no manya twe n'abanyarwanda tukababura umuntu wasigira inesente ni president Museveni nobu yakugira ngo nayija ahantu wasa kushanga mbarara yona aba kwetwara nkaba kucengera ebyanga baroho bamurinzire ngo akaba kwatomunga so eze endorsement ukuza haruka sayininga no babikora kugira ngo nyencha kare ni woboye naho rukutandikira kugamba konko of course okwehandikisa kwa president Museveni nkihanga tukagwerwa kagwe ahabwo kuba ekabe mukore ebiri bukaba umukoro gwo kwehandikisa gwagaruka gwaba umukoro gwo kuronkinga NRM Face Group ahabwo kuba tutwire nturana bagamba ngo opposition y'inabayayi paratigende konka tukatangara umusiza mukuru ariyo okwakira empapura konka karetera abanyayuganda babona abakazi bingi bakabasika hesha ha street abazi basikiriho bakaba ry'abayayi bajwire uniform
kababa kwasira
bajwire uniform ya president Museveni nano abatumira roho aho kwa namiyaro arukuza kubasimbra ugaruko na yitobani coordinator wa NR national chairman so ogwe coordinator wenyina kuza kubasimbra akakora statement yagira ati mutafayo waragera kumareroho enza yitugineho
ebyo tubine evidence
bine videos zorofa TikTok YouTube enza yeroho amino njigaroho warageroho bene umukore
biriya file ya police
so abana bagenda babonabonesa abantu kandi ebe group biri kutandika bikatandika na president ari kukimanya damurira wenyine yazambari yaronkinga abangone NRM manyageto wati yabaronkinga nubo batwire batera abantu za Kawempe
director crime intelligence no rugambo
nibiba abantu batera abantu za Kawempe mu Bururu nubahanda bona so hato officially movement batwanzirire yagira ngo abituno babo so cyo kumanyisa
konganse ansere imada kwenda kutaha muno rugamba iwenka oine company iri kutera t-shirts pore yija katera t-shirts ndimeza ngo yatera umizani ya NRM
kuze kwiza ziri eza pore
no mushaba ebara ya secretary general otinyoreka ngo pate niri kuzenda
bawazo wambuga na street otakumanya to kumahingurwa konkanka hatinzwire visit ibanda no shikano kireba ngo ngiyo munyibanda no bakwati bo bajimbereza
ko kujwarwa girlfriend
konka nereka ngo ngiyo munyibanda so nahabwe echo bari abantu echo kubanza kugira ngo tukabashanga street hatine activity yabirero hakari ukwehandikisa kwa president
okay
hata na president akozire
answer those imperfections I want to call them imperfections notwithstanding omukuru are prepared aina abantu bamurye nyuma imwe mwine candidate or a matching preparedness ya NRM. That was my question.
So hata kwa kuza
abainarema aiba kuzana shuti mbahamanya
acho kubanza nyawe ndio front for freedom ingas freedom party ito kibine kitu nuko kirigire kwehandikisa ebiro munana kucyarigire kwehandikisa twe n'aba members twe n'abasayiningire
mukasagaho
twe n'abasayiningire ebiro munana ntuza kweronda abantu bamwe batujwekere bakatora ne mukono kakaga plus so eje mukono kakaga ntuza kwetorana abantu abaratujekere ebiro munana baze katunga so kubarashikeyo nubo bakuza kutorana akaciko akarabene kebembera akakanya bwanya ahabo kugira ngo tukabe nturaba on processes kurga RC mpaka higuru konka tukuza kufuna bwire gukora bamwe akubwo ready turi omu activity yaki eyo kutero eyo kwesi
karaho cyagoranyi kayabiro akabiro mu karwo mwaka 2021 abonje mutamuze nyuma akacaringe ngagera Museveni cyaguranye ibyarugamba nibishana n'ibyagera Museveni abonje bamutakuze nyuma
cyakwebo mwambo wazi na cyaguranye wenka rukwija 2021 hakaba hariho FDC yabireriye yakabiri 2016
thank you
so okay so ejo teka aba question ngwabwa cyuri yatarizire kandi kindi ihangere turumu open ahabwe bina byo butegeki iyo no basakore cyawe nangwa natwayenda no basakusanga buri district
kawatandika gukora hatandi
so icyo ni cyicerezo
pore
yes
so
wejana ukora
so
wamangu ihanga rumu businge rumu special butegeki
John allow us
is getting old now
so president omushahanje nabanaza haruguto rwa Chadondo bakumarira cyo kwiyandikisa and abantu abayeneremu bo bashimirirwe resolution yacyo be 2019 kagira ngo General Museveni kandi twaneremu 2021 no kweyongerayo icyo kikanje manyisa ngo abanda bakwenda kwesimba ahantebe z'General Museveni arakwebwa nabambaze birwa resolution yigikane manyisa cy'abandi bantu ba NRM
yabare munonga mwana wanje bawazi kumbuze icyo buze icyo kwanje cyabyona NRM party we have what we call internal democracy. Internal democracy ni manyisa ki nicyo kwebra nkate waza kureba bato muri let me take an example nka interview wameye tina abantu kamushanja bagitsimbiro that means to internal democracy kandi tu n'abantu benshi you know party it is a mass party bwini kugana niyo ryo mu government kandi tu n'abantu benshi ba party so abantu bindi bezimba so now ikintu cya president tene ekirayo kugira ngo president waza kwese burije mu party because now you have what we call internal democracy kuna kitu abagize ba party nkaitu nabagenzi banje bo no mu Uganda yone tugira nawe ndendo kusinya mu party yitu nawe twenda president Museveni atakagira wa mwetsimbaho twenda besoro candidate kandi twenda bakiya person wa party kwenda kwitwa
kwabanyakigo
ugati cyama isa unibazira abanda bakwenda kwetsimba ngo batayitsimba. You get my point? Abandi nabasa kwetsimba konka bo burungi bwa party pena ntwikiriza natushita mutwikiriza ngira ngo the president wetu sebarwanyi katumwe chance asavi so nata ncho kureba nata teri kuza kumwetsimba you see this guy wenda kumwetsimba abatene papuro maguru
information
maguru
abire naza kumwesimba agireyo bamugira ngo nomination papers zaho Azuka hireyo muntu wakadara yizera mukora atire bamugira
atebebeleki maguru yakegambiraje
but that is on record.
Yes,
but that is on record. No, but that is on record. There was only one form. They had printed one.
They told him when he should pick them.
No, tokubasa tuja mu internal democracy mukatebekanisa form yo muntu omwe one candidate you prepare the form of one candidate.
They told him
Orkwenda ku information
ate ni nkogo mutabara
orkwenda ku information
ate ni nkogo mutabara ngo no Anthony na takwenda kubakwata kwata mukamaze bari mu ntata niza kubakwata ariyo ni kwata
mukondora RDC yo mukozo
wa bere kagenda kugamba mwana wanje wanyabushozi first of all umunyashozi tena munabandi kumba andi ubwo mwana wanje asire muwenka ni wapata na nyuma zabari wa karisa chairman wapata ni bamurebe ya sibirizo ryo hata yari yapana kubiha abantu can you imagine hata murebe kubiha abantu ubwo mwana wanje wakata wa andi
ansere musibireka
so abari wa karisa ni sibirizo mabazi
omuzo wa government wumbugi
ya sibirizo so murata yena kubiha abantu imam so when
akija mwana tumuhimbise
yes
omunyabushenyi yajyangu nayenda
kwetsimba yes
hijo ndijo bamwita kibanuka akajya ngo kandi bwa chairman ba movement cyonka ngo kuba aruhure president
ashashire miliyoni 20 akayazdire
na miliyoni 20 akayashashira kandi evidence nawo hije amaguru tango doya akagera ngo form hakarihe mu konka na printing ezindi by Friday
nyuma abazyo Captain Maguru akegambire wenka yayizere ngutatongire tembe ko turo muyigana futonge mukone y'abantu abatine ebisanizo byo kwetsimba batabine buburi kandi he accepted
so form zibezero
form of course zibezero unka yashanga atine kijoni atine mukono y'abantu shikiri emukone mburire yes emukone mburire
banyiteka ha form
and
atukagira ngo wija kwakira forms yabugwe mukono kandi utakamuhire form
manya
nyenda pora
manya if Boaz actually I have a clip
nyenda pore kwe
yamagura wenka nayikiriza defeat
nyenda pore kwitegerezani Dr. Tango doyo mbegamu yakagera ngo obuhija omwami I think okamwetanga chwanuka akajya ngo akaro form ya twarwa General Museveni mwero akari mba printing real electoral commission ya party nebe sita kujya ngo yini form emwe omuntu bamugarreyo ngo ijagarike ndi yo kwashira form
no wasakushanga form zaho
ekeriye mbazo
form zaho and eke toka mu kibasa kubaho konko bucyabo cyamaye sanga bakuzbara kwetsimba kwesimba
Icyo kigombe ni
waketegereza so
kigombe ni cyo cyane.
yes
Icyo kigombe ni cyo.
ni kose n'icyabantu n'icyabantu bari nari mu rubaka mabiki bintu kibintu cya president Museveni
Jona ina mu mugabo kwingana no gwawe kwingana no gundije umuntu.
abantu bo n'abari mu pate twena twingana because we are members twena twingana bategereza so twingana konka icyo kwenda kugambira n'ikintu kimwe nakugambira ngo nare mu internal democracy ubu ni internal democracy tarom constitution ya pate yite ya NRM iyo kugira ngo his excellency the president chairman wa NRM mutashime ko icyo ndije umuntu taro kira yitumye cyose kuzibona umuntu kwetsimba kwesimba abo president kuba fraga bya yo president mutakabaza kwese wo president
Icyo cyuruho konka nkora neza bara
no tari nkora yo ne kuzibara wetegereza konka abantu abo tokore kingu abantu abo bona babuzere mu kono y'abantu yo kwasa kugifuna mu Uganda yo ne kandi betago automatically
ngoko nare mu buzire form zo kwereza abantu
no enare mu bine forms wambowazi
okay kato addressing ensho ngempanga emyaka 20 Mirageno Museveni yongera indije 5
yeah
emyaka 20 nahatabira hukura nahataraho ubundo kwebwa atabira inashia fatigue n'ibindi
no ishikaje kankwine utaye turukuru kuri I think you sometimes no kira kumoka ngo tekera ka kuri pako
obo
mwenu ngenda gambira abantu bayene batureba ngo his excellency iyo wereka guta Museveni sebarwanyi akina man go kutwari hango misho no manya nyuma aho tukatweja twina man President MK ngo abe president tukada mangu president Museveni naza kumura this time kwa kutagire kumushekinga twamushekinga basanga de omushekinga stamina na kibasa basanga kina man naza kutegeka ihangire so twaje mwene muzee wakina man wakina stamina dakatu ichirizi agumiza muri Uganda gitwara umesho
shaking edition
so iweriza ba oshemeriro
I'm very happy.
Thank you.
Yes, very happy.
Apor.
Yes.
Katwire Paul are happy.
Ni questioning.
And is like ine abandi bantu miliyoni kwinguri 18 kuregera electoral commission ya NRM tango do Richard Odongo kuyahandikira abahagizi so Paul ine abandi bantu miliyoni 18 abara happy ne kirabiherizo kandi abateze bakarumu hangariona ni miliyoni 20 so already NRM in more than 90% y'abantu abahandikirwa.
That's true. Akwana no mukawembe bakabine we mitwari 19 bya y'ubururu kanana so icyo eze namba tuza kuzigenda umuno so ekinanye ndagamba ni questioning na legitimacy ya yo Mpore Katwire mwamika Mpore Katwire bakuza kumwa appointing nka assistant ara CC akana holding office ya general secretary wa NRM. Did you resign from that position ya NRM utakajire?
I resigned.
Now uguno muntu wa resign injire so na kwa touch mu structure ya NRM now
but I remember when NRM and I support President Museveni and I support NRM
and that is unfortunate for Ugandans. Uguno mushiro rabe na ibembera security umkaruru akariyo katebekana sibwa aka electoral commission ariyo na atera kadinjidi ariyo na atera amazina gengana na yeshongora President Museveni na yeshongora NRM kunkana wakuza kuba nembera security twatu ya polling station nturwana n'abashomba kwenda kwiba karuru tikumanya side yara abaruma naza kwa na protecting abo kwenda kwiba karuru na ija ko bajo ininga tindi kumanya aronda akoreka
NRM ine police yo kwiba karuru kanyana utondura nshuma naona na
opposition karibu mkwiba karuru
tine ina nyona aja nza kwa nturwana sabashoma so ndingumanya umushuma side yara bena arga
ogotira kare ibi akashiri members nyabushozi
barece by the way echo ndashara yenda kushikiriya ringa general muta kesimbo mukarura kahwiri
akoine bonge
akatunge mukono 10-50 ku rugacurhure yamushembere kuza kwesimba you know it is on record
parish
ihaburore mutwara
seru ya kanaza mention one person from Kekoto kwa jirwa yanti
so Mpore
mention one person
Mpore
amwine tamwine
Mpore niza kumureka antu ahabwencha shemerirwa aine bizo bizakwencha shemeriro cyo kubaza chabyana manyangu cyo kubaza chabyona borekere protecting amureka karega
umuntu mwaka ikoti yeah one person from Kekoto
pore chubuzo hashubuzo
yes amumpereze kuga kikoti
aporo turamenya mukigaraka
so Pore yashemerirwa kugira ngo President Museveni of course okugaraka kwesimba aine chance yo kusinga karuru omucyanye kikwija cyomesa contract ya Pore neba yaba nyujo kuba kuruniwe ngo murumo gwawe so at least we Pore imyaka 5 eri kwija in the case President Museveni yasinga karule research word umuringo go, so he cannot stop to be happy. Ijo nachitaho President Museveni ubwo rero nagara yempapareri izoba rugumo rwenda kinana na mukaga barigire kuhamba bakashita makamembers ba high command badiscussinga ubwiro baramarombo webembezi bataka kwaserwa wembezi kubwa rombanya Uganda bamwe baye bashitami mu high command of course no bamanya batinyifuza ba general tumwine ba proposing emyaka mwenda okire Boaz imyaka mwenda President Museveni yaja tumurya bagwiraro muri abasinzi ate kinjo ki strength ya Africa habwenshi mu mu rugo bwebembezi emyaka mwenda yone ne yachi yashabeji waka proposing ebiri President Museveni ya proposing ati mumpe myaka ebiri yonga okay bashitambicha na baja gukoreka twerezena tubenti tebekana saba forminga national resistance council NRC kubahirize kugiforminga of course bija baja amendinga bwanyuma y'imyaka ena baje expandinga for more 5 years kuja batebekana constitution kwa bakashebera myaka ebiri so uguno muntu onaro ugisireri yikume ya bona seyo kubanza arona za kutegeka ihangeri tingumenye imyaka yakwe wakashabera imyaka ebiri so abo cyo ndamuntu warenga serious
and aporo
yes
akana nde myaka ebiri abantu bayanga
nakora
abantu bayanga bamuhena
yes
yabahurikiriza bagaraka bamongeretana yabahurikiriza mwene hati nebenda yongera ari 10 abantu
ba let me tell you agent ebeyo bwa president age ninga shoko bo power kumaro gwire bwingi nicikuretero kwika osinda tukuja President Museveni ashemererwa yana yo forms by the way is not hapator tukuja ngo ashemererwa kuja ngo naura chikunzire kuja ngo ashemererwa na yo forms konga ryo paradox yo kuja ngo taine cyo gukora is in a catch 22 situation tarushwa ashemererwa na Yesimba we na uko umuntu ashemererwa nambanya ngo akabe yaruta yarinjire kare konga is in the mix abo kuba ihangata kwetegereza ndiza kura sawochi akarema kutebekanisa akayinde chance yo kutebekanisa because twatire henchiro zo bwebembezi tutire hemyaka yaremo kutebekanisa byo butegeki ati byamuza umaraka yaguma paradox ejo so guno President Museveni uturiyo tugamba yabana shaba mandate y'imyaka mushanjo y'ekisanja cha mushanjo banya Uganda nyendo teretochi umuchichoke cyo rukurugamo nangwa katugamba PDM yonke yabariyo yabe nakozesa campaigning
mwamanyire ngo abantu bamukunda
yabe nakozesa campaigning arowa yagiraho side zampijo mukaza akaguma hinjire yanga no kumuri yabamisha so eje yabe nakozesa kugeza ku campaigning
mukaza ko kamukunda
because mukaza ka hinjire ariyaho nabona abana tubine school fees muze yija yaza kumwepanchira nawe utasa
aporo ndakumwembezi
yes
ngenda nabantu mubegeze omukaza yagomere nahinga akabara kuhereza attention president uko mukazi ukamukunda ukamushemba
but Boaz omukazi ogu video yabeire cut out ni at that moment omukazi convoy ya president obyayimerire akarora president narugamu akarga hamna kabona na tere nduru na boroga na semerwa na hanike bigaro obyabo ina abasirikare ba president no beita ko president kwakuturukamo abasirikare bene bido bayizero mu meiso yagarika hamfu kwa yaberari. That is what she did. Omukekuru ndi amurge nyuma yita baramutsa president yabaka bahasa kabo bagumizama basemeriro baje aba bakora editing as if every Ugandan is stupid.
No, it's fine. It's fine.
Producer let the producer play the whole clip.
No, mayawa kabanza gamba people power.
No, nigamba let
okay, fine.
Akari mugiraro narora msevena gamba people power kana tikura group.
It's fine. It's
fine.
No, it's fine.
Government mushimbe kumanya propaganda. Because imwe akavideo akakoreka buri kimwe obutaka leta
because we have this is why I'm saying maybe you want it. Can the producer
fine ejo taka chije na umno
no you because you know it is the truth
lakini
ejo taka chije na umno yes yebari taka chije na umno kokora no kumucharo of course nawe namanya ebyaro korabamu obundi namango mwana wambigire school fees so there was nothing except wasrenga shebe mbiri hanga umuntu oyendeka binjira kujya muri
aporo no bweto bwenje okubara kwereza attention president wihanga obano muhagero batakumhagira
President 7 yana akora state of nation address ni shitama mureba ru kugihereza that the respect and the attention that I give
kakubuza aporo President 7 yatayira je no mugisha muntu akamushanga umufamu mugisha muntu katubare maybe yanakama nagumana kama na ijana muri msana attention
I will be in history yao I want you to know on behalf of General Munda. You don't speak for General Munda. So echina nienda kuoreka no kugira ngo eje myaka
wajya guparisha modo yabe narambura
yes
point yawe yabere
point no yabere the advantage the only good thing about partial development model is no kugira ngo sente hariho munya Uganda wakwasira cash. That is very true. In fact naye batakwataga 1 million konka tokubasa kuroringa out model utakatebekanise bantu kinuragare na 10 instead nangwa bakamba bagambira ngo sentezi bakazibahereza kugira ngo baronde President Museveni. That's why he was also using it as a campaign tool. Why did it happen before when we are coming into elections? So
aporo lastly ibyo takunda our President Museveni na yenarimo amazimagare ngo bayitegwire kuzomuka rubutakanerizo what do you have in alternative?
But can't the producer of this video?
Is it allowed? Like after diverting.
Yes.
Turion to the vacancy.
Ogo mukazi.
John.
Ogo mukazi nuko kugira ngo akagomezamu na ogo na gumoro.
Turion to.
Nuko gomezamu.
Turion to. John
can't the producer help us? Because you see this you are making a lot of reckless statements. Let them be sorted.
Okay. Aporo, answer my question.
But the producer put it here.
Aporo, answer my question.
Nituntuza keta bamu. Kongo of course tushemerirwe. We don't have options. Ejo kwachabyona wechitinisa Mathias Mpuga amuherwa atamu yarakuza kurwa in fact even recently akageza ku introducing a private members bill kushaba review ya parliament kuza kureta MP ndahinduka umbiraje byo kutera karuru ni muntu mu cyuma Supreme Court umushaka mbabazi ya hababiro mwami President Museveni Supreme Court kajya hagire ibinde byaterezwa mu mateka gutebekanisa karuru iyo government yabe kwata yabe ndago mu dustbin bambe nda kutebekanisa iteke ryo mwani iteke rya UPDF juba konge ibinde bikwasara abanya Uganda special kutebekanisa politics kutebekanisa byo gutegeka kwa Uganda tubasize kubikora ito turonzo zo karuru.
Thank you.
Of course new platform yitwine legitimate twachine bwire bo kuza omuchaka in any case the situation in Uganda is not warrant us to go to the bush ko kanza kuzanda umukaruraka kugeza uko ushobora abanya Uganda shonga zita
turi Tayari West program no kubiri kandi nzatu inaba ekaya kuri hotel eji ekaya nishangwa kamukuzi umurembo rwambarira no hotel nungi abo kuba bino manya gukomeza motoka bino buyonjo bino internet bine ikingu cyabo cyukinga ahabwa chance cyamushana amane cyacu kandi bine byo kurinda biritire kurungi mbere wakambarira ukenda kuza umwanya mungi aho kurara aho korobyenyi zari kaya kuri Center Hotel mbo bakwatansanitwe mu program okubiri omukashishika burwa mukaga bine cyayinungi bine byona abagenyi banje rizoba bona ekaya bakoraho tine orko itombwite so ekaya kuri Center Hotel twabebaza John nyandagaruka owawe a few issues kuruga wa answer muhamwe na Apolo bagirangu omuntu omukweta mulungi process eri kumureta erihebuzo bingi byona ebikubodaringa na favoritism okugwera orubaju okutangira abandi okuziterera entebe zaro kwenda
attain a member of parliament in the entire world
atine
omunsi yona kuruga Cambodia ukajya mu China ukajya na Congo pate eye kulidingwa jenu wonke taine member of parliament no nesango mu Uganda
former CDF
former commander the ejiriko de bajini from Asia to Europe to the Americas, North and South, to Africa here. Halo pate yona, omunsi yona, ekwebembera jeno, etaine member of parliament no. Konkana babala hanu basaze midere, itwe, noreba, itwe. Bakarga, omuba PFF, mbagera ngubo, ngwebizibu, ebibehireyo, kugera ngubo, beine leine yabo, bakwenda kutwara politics, ya grassroots structures. Kwihabargayo na gunu gudwa grassroots structures wazo basabuza yana rumurimu for the first time yatandika kwebebera
umuntu na gurasa na root tini kibakozero
habibiri byona tini kibakozero bali aheruke yembuzi my issue here is enaremu ekasetinga standards zo muntu owakusemiri kwiza hante bibirezo because izi ninte bibiri ziri different kandi nte bibirezo no speakingira forms zibiri zitakusana niziduzwa abantu 12 batakusana no usasura milioni 22 so no usasura milioni 20 unless one wenda hemulizo nango halono kwa kulizo wasimiri kuba chairman asimiri kuba ali hata wa member of parliament bagamba academic documents semiri kuba mu register semiri kuba sasura milioni 3 echa national chairman na presidential flag bearer wa NRM nehongerwa kugira ngo emukono bibiri ejo ebe nerega at districts at least 10 za Uganda. So some of our people abandi nabo mumetema yabo no bakobana bagamba na electoral commission mbagira ngo itu ebitulio ntubara libitu mutuleke internally itwe we are going to pretend as if we are coming here but for us we are not fully cyo kwesimba hato umuntu wakubali aheru bagira atino bareba atibare Museveni atwoyoyo atere enduru no gitere umuntu ta umusuma talo umusuma ala hinguno hata enduru no tere because abantu banu kustama nabo one on one pole commissioner katwire yakugamba maguru nagira ati nyowe amazima garugo kutambura districts 10 munisherama abantu babiri nye milioni 20 ebyo bindemere ombwira bugufu bunu uwe bena ikwase cyo ubwira ngo ubwira ndoki formu eza tango doyi 20 million ni bitu bya party
why is it
abo president mnezinga naka olino kuza why is it 20 million and you look as if you are so intelligent nako bya isimbira kasura zinga
no why is it
mugisha muntu oba yesimba akasasura zinga abo president
okay what
no you ask that first answer that one
yes, I'm also asking
mugisha muntu in 2020 akasasura milioni 20 why did he pay it wacha tarasasuri 5 ilimo majezi but stop that nonsense now issue why is it 20 million for electoral commission
John who is responsible
now yes no problem mbabuze bintu abaswahili bageta kujaribu akiti
John
candidate we akarega hano
John mpora
yasasura senti
John mpora
president Museveni have an option is he the one setting that
John mpora
it's the NRM
Apple, listen to me. John, a different opinion cannot be nonsense.
Yes, but
I
withdraw that, okay. But he must know that I am also qualified enough to engage in a shouting match. He should know.
So, but
you don't ask questions here. You came here to respond to the questions from the moderator. Ask the moderator, don't ask me.
But you don't identify
now, President Museveni, milioni 40 akasasura. President Museveni akatambura omu district C yayeta abantu be abasibiri kumuseyingiraho ayine nominata omwe na secondaries babiri nkapata itu kukamba abantu 12 across 100 districts of Uganda nkapata nkukekitiro esente zeitu eza structures za NRM ezikusasura buri pate nesetaho omuhingo gwayo kandi tuzikwenda mateka ga obyoburu bya Uganda ahabukuba esente zo no mukaruru ka electoral commission nisasua na abal hanbona badasasui nangwa na PFF
thank you
nangwa na PFF nyenda kumaliza kana nako eine zayo ziyateireho is much lesser than that kungo mu Uganda nangwa no kugira ngo umutwaro halwa kugira ngo umutwaro tingusoba now ekinkwenda karuka nacho itwe setingira agenda tugira ngo twine president Museveni of course in your umutima gwawe Boaz nali umuntu wena wa following politics kuba omupate nke ya PFF kuba hawa halo umuntu akwenda kuchallenginga message umuntu ogunanama it is either imugisha umuntu it is anandala mafali it is anamuria 20 years in parliament it is Rukwago it is Semunju kuba halo umuntu akwenda kuchallenginga Bobo weno munu at least we know it can be a Bongoya, it can be a Senyonyi, it can be a someone. NRM structures kuba zihura nizenda kuchallenginga President Museveni. The people are there. We are going to look for
someone. You are politically right.
Yes, I'm saying
you are politically right. You are politically right.
We have able people in our party. We have a person like Jenu Kahindo Tafi. We have Thomas Tayewa, the speaker. We have a person like Jenu Jimu. We have them.
John Rukhendera. Political history. kugira ngo structures uza identify ngo umuntu akubasa kusinga konka njo nchako umuntu right ye ko umuntu ere no bakubata kumanyo na trying are makonka
nyo nandi ni koreka the ideal the reality imumuri ideal. I'm a realist, I'm not an idealist. ANT
and the locators for both.
ANT yogu kuba hajiro mu hatu kucha muntu tutamiri. We know the faces that can come up. It can be a Winnie Chiza, it can be an Ali Salasu, it can be a Karhanga, it can be a Kasano Wadi. We know. Koka kuba orango muliaba bona talumu.
And
umuhaloho omukozi umukozi wa Apollo tumusimi. It is a plan.
Na kumaine right.
Right kind of Katolwa. I am only saying politically and in real sense. Ubo orangu ANT yona no barabe bakine member of parliament.
Dr. Tango Doi.
Basero omuntu wo kuchallenginga mugisha muntu ngube hayo mukozi wo murutoke rwapolo tumusimi.
Dr. Tango Doi tareze ngo akaine form mwe bakagitwara.
Dr. Tango Doi akatira forms twin high school leta hano.
Did he say that?
Ya chairman na presidential flag bearer.
So karite.
Zeba zirabire security scanning. Security scanning. Tubakomanisa abakwata mbungu mo Uganda ko kama security.
Okay, so akamanyisa chakana
manyisa scanning ejo semirire komanya ngo ofomu eno butarato ati omuntu obwarana ja kugigara we must determine its authenticity tumanye ngo authentic karaga hano with security features yagira tana habwecho abakwenda kwiza kwihayo fomu numutumanyisa ngo mutwenda kwiza nyinshi like the president akaranga yagira ati ninja kwihayo fomu ebero 30
kanyango
we are going to prepare your form with the security features. Wait a moment.
Kanyango office ne beigwi.
Let me answer that question. President Museveni bakagamba wakwenda kwihayo form wena amanyise office. President yajimanisa judgment of behavior makumyaga. Bagira ngo we are going to prepare yours with security marks. But now instead of kugamba obo bayizera physically bagira ngo okay omuramo mwenda kwihayo forms no problem. We are going to prepare your forms equally with these security marks. These security marks are not going to be made at NASA Road. We are going to send them abroad. Please come and pick your forms on this day. This day was yesterday. They came there. Those who came there, others complained that yes, we have little time to submit back these forms. Abandi bagira ngo itwe twaragama kuko mugurusi nituchumwenda abandi tubetuli mu byeyitu tuzanazanamo na habuke twaragama. It has absolutely nothing ngo kuyihaho umuntu ritita alo umuntu yireo obugabe bwo umuntu kwesimu oborano yenda nayo boazo lumembo yanari nezire ifu.
Program yetu nuko biri hano tayari westira karitu kandi omustudio zenye no mwamitori na wijoni no yaragagamba anashongeje ayigambisaho amani na some form of evidence kureka opinion egumeri opinion omwami Apollo tumusime karega na rugoma NT omwami Paul Katuhire Karamzi na ni assistant resident state commissioner ahabwambara city central kandi nomwami arinitwe ansire mundikora na rugoma PFF ndibowazi tumwesije twinaba eka ya hotel reka tumure mukace nzagaraka na ansire mu
hair-raising moments, turn to Wonders Hair Products. Say goodbye to dull, lifeless locks and hello to hair that shines with vitality and strength. Because at Wonders, we understand that every day is a chance to create something beautiful, to embrace the wonder that surrounds us and make it a part of who we are. Don't be left behind. Try Wonders today and get the vibrant look you've always dreamed of. Wonders, always wonderful.
Kingdom Aldinho, a very good free kick taker.
Toro Kingdom MTN Masaza Cup Tournament egarukire na amani aheru hasande nebyo kwezi mukago kwa msanju mwaka guno hasa mwende za rwebajo otaferwa mpira hagati ya Ntoroko ne Basamba Kitagwenda hali Karugutu Primary School Playground otaferwa kuroro mpira guno butuno hata Yaru West
Serokona Resro mpira
Omupira guno gusagikirwe MTN.
Netungire Kabode Super esimu nse ya smartphone rero tungeza GBs 16 zabusha tandikana deposit y'emtware na necweka rero zindo zishashure mpora mu bicweka. MTN nereberera Uganda Communications Commission.
Kuyanazarwa Sara kabareba ngo Daniel yatungwa kusirekwa kwa burijo kumurindo oburwairo buri kwita bahito mushija gwensi ukagumana gumaramani akarwarira kakutungira obujanjabi omushaka cyamyangu kakuryo mushija gwensiri bahitwa bamujanjabire Daniel yakira bahito Sara wakagumana no kwerarikirira kwinji omushawo akamugambira amubazgo kusireka omushija gwensiri nabwo akamuhamiza omugasho gwo kutaho buryo bwo kubasa kwerinda omushija Bugana Mr. Vaxa hamwe na dozina ahamezi mukaga amezi mushanju amezi munana hamwe na amezi 18 Mr. Vaxa nahwera kurinda obutakwatwa mushija gwensiri buri kutayayirirwa ro Daniel na German menji buri doze ne hamani go kurinda obutakwatwa mushija gwensiri obwa hati Daniel ayina magara marungi hamwe na mani okusima kuzaha mubazi go mushija gwensiri Sara akakora kusharaho kurungi okusiri kwa burijo hamwe no mubazi gwo mushija ibirinda abana baitu tayayirirwa rero kuri herizoba wenda kumanyebe kukiraha terera ministry y'ebyamagara aha not munana not emwe not mukaga obutumwa obu nibukwicibwa ministry y'ebyamagara.
Azam TV banna mu byokunyumira okulaba TV bongedde ebirungo funa kiti ya Azam TV ku mitwalo 8 gyokka kituufu ddala emitwalo 8 obafuna dikoda ya Azam TV ku mitwalo 4 gyokka ke kaseera okwemala egguga ne La Liga, Italian Serie A, German Bundesliga, Ligi ya Saudi Arabia ne Carabao Cup ku Azam Plus ne Play Package mu HD nyumirwa bina Uganda ku Chamuka TV ku Azam Pure ku mitwalo 13 zokka buli mwezi nyumirwa byemezanye bya buli kika ne Azam TV ekyasinze okuba ya bei rahisi wano gende wa agent wa feyena oba okube ku simu noti 3.2 3.8 noti omaye bisingawo.
Azam TV, entertainment for everybody.
Omagara geseji arhembere eri kutuhindura tukabeche kituri embereji eri kuhindura mazoba engendo narishi ebitebyo bitu nambwe no mumberejo bitwantoronde kintu cyo mutana habindi namnonge kintu kiri kubasa kureta hecho kutangaza omagara gitu naniwe gabana haburungi bwa Wonders Family Jelly izoba ryawe riberyo gakoziro mbirungo ebruke hezo mbiri gukagarika busya gukagira mani wena ukasigara no kuraje. Wonders Family Jelly nuko majuta agine kuguma harubaju neka yawe.
Wonders, always wonderful.
West irakariyetu turi mu program mukubiri omushugana sa program ndi Boaz tumwisije nyine habakura bona tayisa kashishaka umwami arinitwe ansire mundikora nwashitamire heinanye akorata umwami Paul Katwire Karamuzi ni assistant resident state commissioner abwambara city central ino mwami Apollo tubisime Karega ayisimbira abo MP bwa Nyabushozi nanda kwako kwesimba umuntu mbambara ngo yayisimba kwandikisa konka atandikira mu kigombe cye cya ANT nyine turi nawe John nawe nare munaraga busongora ansiremo oku John yanashobora atoreka ngo process ikabe in justification at every level, so it is not true ngo abantu babemere rights. But secondly, omuntu wotari joka structures za partnership kwanza kumanya, and umuzano gwa politics tumuzano ogwo kuhereza chance n'umuzano gwa preparation maybe nare munebishikire kugira ngo kurugero kwa akaruka gumire kusinga twatwino rukusinga kandi twamumanyira tested reka tumusigaze
Twana twine kukitoreza ngo President Museveni yamara imyaka 20 ari kwebendera naho bwico washanga ngo umyaka 20 niwe muntu wenko bakugira ngo twa twinogo nubwo turi kusinga nchima isango imyaka ije yona makumyana tayine cyayebembire agisisire bushisha abo kuba omuntu barukweto mwebembezi nubwo arukworeka abandi umuhanda rero bakagukora tara konko gwa kugira ati nyogo umuhanda ninye kugumanya na Yesu wenka akwereka abantu umuhanda akajya ati ninye umuhanda namazima namagara akwenda kuzo wa mwana narabero muri nyowe mwene kuba reba bagizire ngo arukwenda kuzanko mu government narabero muri movement tukabire ntureba abuborekero umuhanda ninga iwe wenko kabicira zangu nabo umuhanda ugugora kutoramo nabo babase gureba kuko ko rukushangangu abantu orinko baterireho umuhanda kuko kwiciriza bagutoremo ati we nobo tar mwebembezi nobo rye kindi kintu kandi kindi nyenda twange twicirize president Museveni yasimye imyaka 9 abantu bona ko kubayizire no bareba barihire ba Moses ari ba president Museveni bakahindo tafira bujoni yagambara kahindo tafira gize ngwe kine kisanje cha muheru nahabwecho abantu abo barihire bajimu muhwezi iyo mati ogogo we nangwa ni bibi akubowe batandikire kutagure pande mwini tubakwenda nakurangwa yisimbire mati yakasayije byatubirungi so omwebembezo murungi tukabire nutureba abujyana cyaringire nangwaka hati kikabire kiri cyurungi wano hurangu nkombanta bihire yempapura zo kwesimba bwa president hari muhonare right honorable Thomas Tayebwa aho kabire no manyoteo twenyeni omushija anacaringire kuko ko rukushangangu aha myaka 9 tucesigana abantu bawe tucesigana structures kugira uteneza kuntera karuru ogwara kutekateka ngo nayenda kwijeho noyenda mukingira heru ahabo kuba yataho umunju oyerarikirira abantu aboshitamina bo omusitting room ngo nibabasana kuriya morukwe bahagiro riya shuware mkibani cyorekangu haruho byamani ebyokorire kibina cyawe kandi haruho nabyamani ebyokorire cyanga cyawe
ansere mu mwihangeri no ha oyebembire ikigombe akimara akagera ati hinabundi ndekire mu gumize munyuka nzarubasha icyo kikabanza gukorwa Dr. Besije umwaka gw'2012 kege 2012 akaba yayebemberaho ahatamuze imyaka itamuzi tamuye imyaka 5 akayayebemberaho imyaka 2 yagira ati nyowe kinyebembireho nikimara imweke kibina murondo ndijo yahereze yakora iki
azo mu ntebe
arojyo n'ikiyagamba hari iki HID n'iki practical so webese cyo kwiyagira harubajungu utacenda kwembera FDC
patera
ebi yabe nakora ebi pararo na ebi party so hata wakaguma nakora iki did he allow abamjiro mbigere kugumiza kwaka tabuze kigombe
iki kibina
besije kuyargire ombwebembezi bwa FDC na ofisi yabo yaje barekera yakwata umuhanda yaza katonga yagira ati mwe mutambuze kibina nkoko mukitambuza yaza katonga ati yatandika kibina yakora ofisi wabo ine ofisi yawe to kuregulatinga bija kutayaye ari kuja kutayaye naija
and answer emyaka 13 hingwiri bese jakajya mutacene kwembera FDC yajya yatandika ofisi ye ofisi yatera mu patendijo hati ikintu ndakureba kikugira ngo bese cyane numwe yatandikira urugamba rwo kumara FDC stira ikirabe abe n'wakebembire akitegeka
ikindi kwenda manye kurga hati raife yiturumu obor president obor political party obor yo mu family raife yiturumu tina kuba namanya ikiri kwije icyakari kandi hagira ikizanye icyakari tina ro kuzibira kuteka tekera ikiri kuza kurataho ubwiro burukwisha
kambuze kibuze kimembika kibuze ndi Jero Museveni na yembere kigombe kine sente kirombo yemeze je myaka yona tebine headquarters zabo nuko bekatandikira kamucha umajuga cyagoranye PFF iriyo mu office ya Besije these are personalized parties nicyo no shakanza ibigombe by'abantu
ibigombe cyo kubanza ibigombe by'abantu of course ahubwo kuba ibigombe ni babirye by'aba members kandi ba members nibo bantu so wajya n'ibigombe by'abantu aho nobo kire nobo tine mushango gwona ogireho kuba kuba abantu manyisangu ibigombe nababyine abantu ababyebembire nkafesi za
the district registrar
icyo cyunamazima twina tujya bikiriza konko orukutwebemberishe nkora bikirizana bagira ngo nohana Abraham so buri kibina kine Abraham
atwo kurgabaza katonga iyo no yeguza no hakushashura rent no haya gure mpapura
no ekigo echaka office ya katonga office ya katonga he gakabagariyo makago mushija bakumwita chapa karhanga kazomu exile ari avan Namibia baninkahi
bakabaza ngwatera Tanzania
so ariyo kwa ariyo mu exile so amakage akagira ati nyonaga kwase Dr. Besigye yogakorese cyo gukora ki icyo rukwenda so mwene kikwatirine na rent no mami chapa karhanga nuko turyaho kandi cyakuriya kitwarigire nabwege kagariye makaga musinguzo garuga yagira ati nyoni zaga bahereza abusente buke mu mpereze miliyoni rukaga bahereza amakaganje twazusondeza sente nyona nkanta kabire active nkanci ryo mwana muto ababire bar active sente bazusonda twabatyo twazaho muri ngogo
pore abashaba bahurura
ya
bo bina masikungu nabagenda mu misho bari yamura mu gwabanye Uganda imyaka 20 umuntu utacyongeraho cyangwa abantu bona bari mbaraga kasejja naraga jeno naraga jimwezi naraga ukoraga uko mukuru abantu bakakurira
ejo kwaza cyajona
kurakatura gicuwani
na ngenda kugambira mu mwana wanje ubu yagira ngo President Museveni aba itaba inareyemo nashaba abekibona cyaneremo okumwongera imyaka nashoko kumwongera chance ngo abe akiteye kiri hangeri akwasire bendera ya inaremu nashi abena cyama wa inaremu ngo sibukoze nguteni cyakoze mu Uganda actually ngenda kumwifomba
nagira ngo wana challenge
werekere inaremu in a very good cadres kukira nangwa nabanyu munonga ni nokibanye Joni ya chigambira twine ba speakers of parliament twine mine generals abari mu maya no parliament na basategeka yange ba parliament konkita na nagambira ngitwa nganene mpate we have we call internal democracy izo twega indwikirezana tebangize kutata the president no watunguri hangeri emyaka 20 twahika namanigi nabagenzi be mbene ati Bantu kireba kinamana ngo kutegeka ihangeri abungenza kutakumutahoneje umuntu zaka mwesimba itwe tusharamuke kibina tigira president Museveni okorera abanya-Uganda okinamana ngo kutegeka ati wo kinamani na kitegeka ihangeri abungenza kureta nije umuntu zaka muta kandi ikindi cya kabiri tikamaza ngo exercise president niza fera ategeki time niza kwikakwera ikintu nikekora ikintu kinobona kubwacyo ikintu umambowazi ikintu cyona kinobona kubwacyo abona kubwa president Museveni kuburashike yagira ngo yaenda kuhumura ari yahumura NRM pate yarita kandi tubije yitsinda
answer kagira
kiyakumbuza
aro statement iri mukira kukoresa bakoriri hangeri
yes
ihanga narubana ritambura ahabituru kweta social services
yes
none nyenda nkubuzo giruti kirije nariti kirije amarwaro garije girango garije nariti garije
amarwaro garije
enguto zirije twandikire nka
eriza waretonkai
arwibanda
waretonkai
rije
wareto mu ruguto nakubuza waretonkai
rije
no I have
amashomero garije
okashomera nkai
ukashomera kai tukuzaga bimwe ya government aro equal opportunities narino bagihereza biyesente abatine
manya wa
social services zaba zitari kubasa kugira ngo
wambuze
babaze kuba ko sahe dakike mu yakatuye ibindi ni rukorwa kurigira capacity eyihanga y'umuntu nari ya family munywano wanje Anselm kwiza hano no mujozi gwibano gwa mugabire nawe yakoze iri kwiza hano satu nungena na suti capacity ni ihanga
that's so demanding John Chiagamburu bajuru mwashikire research ya Uganda Bureau of Statistics erigire kushoza report yagira ngo abanya Uganda miliyoni 14 kibine myendero kurenga yeje ngo namwe n'uwari babazwire yero yotafa kuteka seka ngo nabo amwe n'abafuna peye
munywana wange yambuze ruguru nange
this is a weekend
yes nange nambuze nange nambuze cyo cyane omwam aseremu yargibanda yeja yahito mu ruguto omwam aseremu ashomere yakana kutunga diguri ashomere amashomero ga Uganda naganyi ikindi cya kabiri munyaburekere magenda pora asara ni wambuze ikindi cya kabiri nyine kungambira abantu bibanda bakora mu government abakora mu marwaro ba parish chiefs ba sub county chiefs civil servants bakora banga habagega bahiremera mu
wabana ukora research hari icyo barukweta qualitative na quantitative ko kugira ngo enguto ziriho nizishana
no yo nakubuze kibuzo wagira ngo ihangeri baza ko abantu beheza abageiga ngambara abageiga muri ibanda ngo muri ko mugeiga bahero bomurka nkanaso bahero bonansi ngasaba ka utikifo umugeiga bahero wasaba ka utikifo just mention them yes you apply ukora interview bakwa appointing on merit
nerebwa abantu biye nyenda kugambira umwami pole nangwa tukuchakana kuba no kimanya kwa kuba hariho slots 8 no shanga abantu abarukwendera ubukiko bwo gabemermo na nabine connections obana ha district obana municipalities already slots 8 ziyezabo derimo imwe abanaku bataban abatakumanywa imwe mwijana mu Rwanda ra slots says ibi konkana neze zikuba ziyezabo no shanga chairman hino wamuhira
service commission
hino
wamuhira wa chairperson
yes
FDC kasese kadibembere myaki 10
exactly yes
bunumva bene ba point emirimo karukuru KCCA rukwago nuwe chairman nuwe mayor nuwa kwa appointinga service commission nuwa kwa appointinga land board emirimo KCCA njigaba so what you want
to bagira ngo bahagera Museveni konka tubakumuhura President Museveni wenyini arukuretaho office ya director wa KCCA Omar Kampala akagira ngo road mayor
Katandika no mwami James. Katandika no mwami James.
The spokesperson is Mugana.
Yes, mwami James Mwesiji.
Nabaza kutera nakaruru ariko.
I know, I have met him before nimanya. Omukarura kahwire campaign agent wanje kwa mweta nkunda Dani naraga Kanyariyero none aronchinjire rari. Kuna arije gukora rari. Naheza kuronchinga kwesimba hantebe yo munyishinjo wa Nyabushozi. Dani bakambinga umuka. Wabo. Bamuchwa yarara mu kishaka ebiro bibiri namufacilitatinga namuhindurira omwanya ahi yamazire okwezi. So tinkwenda kukwata abahagizi banje ningasha abantu abo kukora ekibira kyanje nkatandika kuguma ningamba amazina g'abantu ba RCC bariya bakatandika kuza kubarondora bakakora sadani dan hatahagarikire muka
uborana mangu cyo kagira cyagaro mu Nyabusozi cyagaro ati no fatira
it's cyagaro Chagaro kugantu manyo
supportinga bampire nduru bamubinga cyane
ntumanyo cyo ntumanyo kutarabe utshibe kwatu wana ina yes omwami John yagamba kintu cyo kugira ngo umuntu ro kubanaza kuza ombigire ida ya President Museveni era bya BSJ ashibe kuba namanywa 2026
2020 kwakira live upper hold it omwami honorable byarwa bakunda MP Isingiro South ini cyarugamba biriho yesterday kiganye then tugaruke.
I think coordinators of Mari Rogers, he's from Isingiro North. He's actually from Kanyangonji in Isingiro Town Council. Rogers. Another one is DJ Danyo. That one was the very first person to attack the vehicle, beat up the man in the vehicle, and set it alight, together with Rogers, the coordinator of Mari. Another one is Ankunda Eri, otherwise known as Muchiga. He's a driver of Mari. Now this man led the team last night in that parish of Ruyanga. Last night, in spite of the area incident, and was hunting down anybody known to be on my side in their own area, actually in their own village, where I have very many supporters. Another one was Narisensio Namanya, who unfortunately, this I must mention, Narisensio Namanya is one of the people employed by NRM to conduct elections in that parish. Can you imagine the controversy? So he was among that team. And also Nwamanya Dan, who was also a parish supervisor, NRM supervisor, to conduct elections in Katosho parish. Can you imagine? It is that dirty. It is that dirty. So these ones were leading a group that went around the whole village, the whole parish, hunting down the so-called top coordinators of Byarugaba Alex. And another one is Nsimire, a known violent man, is a relative of Mali. I think he's a front for violence, a face of violence in Isingiro South. That man, the name I have mentioned is Nsimire John. He actually moves even during the day with a panga. A panga. I saw it myself. I had a small meeting in one of those villages one time, about 2 months ago. And because he was opposed to having such a meeting, that particular in Nsimire John was threatening everybody that should not come to the meeting. People insisted and they came, a big crowd. And he started moving around the venue with a panga directly during the day, around about 2 p.m. We were all amazed, and the chairman LC1 couldn't do much. Earlier on, this is the man that had been caught ready-handed by a police dog, facing my posters and those of the president. It was so bad. It was so bad. Up to now, this man has never been arrested. Never, in spite of the many reports we have had to report. They beat up particularly badly Mwebesa Abias and the Kadiri. Now another surprise for you. Last night, after beating these two people, that group of Ankunda Eri, the driver of Mari, Narisensio Namanya, and Nwamanya Dan, they personally, those three, supported by Chairman LC3 of Ruyanga, Akimu Mujisha, supported because he was there, took these injured people to police at Chebukube. The Chebukube police, seeing what was happening to these fellows, they were very, very badly injured and beaten by the same group that took them to police. The police at Chebukube refused to accept them, and they drove them to Mile 17 at the district police headquarters. I think I've not checked on them. I'm going to see whether any assistance has been given to them. But it's so controversial, so ironical, that the people that were crying to be restored, can you imagine? Instead, where the people are the same people now in the cells. Another allegation, and this one is a typically very, very bad one. This one, actually, I think top leaders in this country must know about this. In NRM, that they went to the extent, why were they being beaten? They were my supporters, and that they were being forced to say, now you see, Honorable bought us these pangas to ensure that we kill you, those who don't support the Honorable. Brand new pangas were bought, given to those hooligans by one called Nsereko, who has a hardware shop in Ruyanga, and who is an ardent supporter of J.B. Mali Asensio, but the biggest sponsor of all this chaos, is the father of the candidate, Sarongo J.B. Mali. And if you want to sort out a problem that big, then the government should know what to do. So far, that is what happening. People are no longer sleeping in their homes. They have deserted their homes. Yesterday I was with the DPC and the RDC so late at night, and people were crying out, and I gave them to the DPC. Say, here. And instead of going to rescue those people who were supposed to be rescued, who were shouting and making ardent calls to be helped out, are the same people that are now being held. I don't know where that catch is or where it's coming from, or the narrative that they are trying to create. So that needs some intelligence, serious homework. But this has been going on for a long time. The authorities know about all this. The plans were leaked before they happened. So my calling you here was to clarify on these issues. The first reports that came out were extremely very wrong, very negative. How can I ban a vehicle of my own support? How? He's in hospital here. I'm the one who brought him in my own shattered vehicle. Then how you see those falsehoods that are being traded around? So I wanted to clarify on this, so that you can relay very correct information to the people of Uganda, and particularly those in Sinjiro House. I want to condemn in no unequivocal terms, in an unequivocal manner, the current state of affairs in my constituency, which are being propagated by none other than Mali. I'm not a violent at all. I love my name. I love what I do. I love my party. Anything that falls short of that is not me. I've restrained myself so much. And I think now the entire leadership of the district is aware of what is happening, what has been happening, and I'm sure they will specifically and clearly sort it out and save lives of our people. The people, of course, are so disappointed about the manner in which these elections are being conducted, especially there, by my opponent. I have 4 opponents, 3. Rudo, and another one is Rwabambali, and then Mali. Those are 3, and of course myself. I want to say, other than one camp, the rest are okay. The rest are very, very okay. Just even the other day I was with the Rwabambali. We met, crossed each other's ways, waved, and we moved on. I am always with Rudo. Same functions. In fact, Rudo has been, wherever I am, he somehow follows behind. I think also to take advantage of some of my crowds. But I have no problem with that. I don't have any problem whatsoever. We are all in NRM. So that's exactly what happened. What's the future? I don't see any future of having a joint rally. Because these people have already planned. Clearly, it showed yesterday that they are not going to have any rally. 2, my prayer is that all these goons be rounded up and taken to places where they should be, not in very peaceful communities in Isingiro South. Those people are extremely very peaceful. 3, Mali Senior JB should be brought to order because he behaves like as if he is above the law. His politics is a total replica of what you saw with the NUP in the Kampala election.
Tayari West irakari yetu okubiri niyo program omushuganisa ndi Boaz tumwese kitwagara twanture bigambo bya Honorable Alex Byarugaba bakunda MP wa Isingiro South nashobora biriho ikigambo ngo abahagizi be bokize ebiruka byo orubaju urwo gwayisembere nabo mukarura ko kabiri kari nakaruka movement akaruka endemwe konka bibire that serious. John na katwire muri abanyambarara numatani Isingiro ine ikimukumanya besimbira babiri one comment.
Another was called Honorable Bakunda. Nyawe kurongera ngo nangine powers nkakatwire pore. Nara kurongera ngo nari umunari constitutional armak akasheshereje ko kugira ngo a candidate yabe discipline yagire mfambi nke binkurebeyo. Bacondoza beyond bakashanga one person abakire behind the candidate oyitsimba kire behind. Disqualifying.
Okay.
But now I don't know. But it is very bad. I condemn it. I don't like it. Really,
okay.
I had the people recording.
Okay.
Okay. This is a primary election. Naka urkapate. Kenyi nemu. Ukishanga umuntu wamwite. Really. I condemn it.
John ubuzibu burigiringa hombugufu.
No, ubuzibu of course akaruru kapate especially myanya yemwe ukarwampara Sembabule na Isingiro nikachara kujya mu muru mwingi. Isingiro dia date makafaya abantu bana. Urumya gore domwe mukaruru kano afiri. Cyakubiri kikiri ngo pate nayo egera district season kuku ya empowering systems.
Exactly, security. Yes.
Security DPC ni mchwano wa amani, RDC ni mchwano wa standing ground ye hatukwatanga basi ni RDC zabatukumanya bakabato myanye talumbu mukiro oko bakataya abakazi twine songa batenorora nabo bari nkaba agents babandi omuguru sogu akarura kahoire
nomuguru so nomanyiso
bakunda was retired kawo was a good man, was a civil servant. He has served for 25 years in parliament after leaving Kawo. He's an old man, you don't think he's young. No muto na tamukanta na die. But last elections akarwara yaje atake yaje akata yeje agambira abantu atinyabura we mumpe kisanda cyo kunsibura tinkugaraka. Hata buli umubona yama akana atambura na this very young man na mwanzura abantu himself.
Young man
Asensio.
Young Obokweto.
Mari Asensio, mutabano wa JB Asensio senior. Oyana gamba. He was talking about JB. JB is the father of Mari Asensio.
Okay.
So he would move with him on all functions. Akagenda nawe amujira togu atinyabura watunyeri anje boyira togu ato hata mazira yahinduro muvini nke diameti atinyinga no problem konka akavuya oyire clip original clip dugogwe byakusobora habe halimo abantu kugira ngo mwishe twitemo abantu banda ekintu cyo kikabibanda nojuka harufu rwo kuziko muntu oyafiriro mchome ibanda abantu oli bambe akata kumanya rimya na arga sebei badira ngo mwishe ngumra boko noko tumwite ngumra indide bakamwita these ones were saying same things say mwishe twitemo abantu banda mwishe twitemo abantu banda. That violence is very bad. And for me I think the party should rain on that wakundamana uyali yana agambe bisuba TV yao ngira mwamta sebelilo kumumujisa korona
Obari mnonga Michael Muhamia okorogibanda director rwo mu secondary school bari kutureba na Apollo wobere kutureba Apollo uhinebo anogambaho maybe tuje ntuhendera nobwire bwa twatede kiziza twarwa bakunda
well nanizagamba comment emwe John yagamba ngo umuntu uri kwana kuzombigire byo muntu watandikira ikibina ntwantu mureba se nanyenda kumoka information mwe 2011 we kitensha mama babaza kanda ko Zimbabwe president in fact akwenda kushaba ibendera ya NRM ebyambiro nombe manya ogwogwe
2011 2015
yeah
2015 yes 2015 thanks for the information kongogwe no reba ngutakurwa mu bari abo kwano gamba bakatera amasida at least he was no what happened you know what happened
yes.
Now okwereka ndike kwandike ekibina cyanje ya enti yachikwata yachijurunga yayereka ngo tishine makuru kokano reba ANC
tunajira kutikina makuru
ya kutikina MP
yes fine
general ekya member general the whole world
it's okay ANC
Maito ni chairman mwase
ANC katandika rwenda urukumo rwindi 12 mwambe waza kongekija yazombo wa president urukumo rwenda cyenda nena urukumo rwindi 12 mwe bajikora mwe bajiforminga yija yazombo wa president mwambe Nelson Mandela urukumo rwenda cyenda nena so itwente batwine
mulinzire myaka 83
ebyo nebyo kubara itwente batwine strategy yo kugira ngo turiyo nshomesa abanyabigana because bitweta kuhindurana bingi wayitegereza so no kubanza kuhindura mindset y'abanyabigana kugira ngo obwire bwabo bwashyikire tuza kutebeka risi yange batereze mandate reka ngambe echa alliance yitkoze na PFF turukendera umwambe wazi
shake my hands
alliance yes twendere obwire bwagenda
tumuntu wo kubanza kugira ngo ebinane nibyezaho kwegita inga corrections nzibaho wawa kigambiro kwanjura program ejo tikabaka yekana UPC bakegita rukumurwe nakagane 2 bakugeneza kurwana sa colonialism kugira ngo twatunga independence they achieved that umugabo gwabo gwisha gwa farko kumurwe nakagane na kandi kagana mukaga batanda complete because obote akashama kutwara gwebembezi kabaka yazo umbahanga ngusoma exile rukumurwe na change na mwenda obote na bagenza byabira ine bineci binachabo bani chikosi marum bayegita na Save Uganda movement kene yembero akena pojok na Museveni ine Fronasa bakwa UNLF kurwanisa Amini which they did and achieved that by our government yamino bajitera hansi oboteja yazo president rukomorwa cyakora mu karuru konka president Museveni ayebembira group y'abahekera ba National Resistance Army yayigitana nabandi abayebarmu yabero Uganda Freedom Movement yakayira ari Uganda I think freedom fighters yakasirigwanga na Fedemu n'izindi zayekwatana sana kugira ngo zirwanise government yobote kandi which they did successfully bija bagitera so twosire tureba coalition zibaho coalition yitkozerena nabantu ba PFF hari ibintu binje bitwikirize naho ngo twatagane cyo kubanza cyabya no kugira ngo twoyise chance y'akaruro kahikiraha tukazemu jointere nza kwikirizana umbicweke bimwe kushanga toba joint candidates utakashanga nyisimbe nyabushozi kandi wa PFR kuna wari kwenda kwesimbaho nyaharo nyowe kandi wa PFR no kumukiza amani nimbenye na bari bendera na nebinde bicweka bitkuzaganira cya kandi no kugira ngo PFF na anti zigenda hamwe joint interest discussing nebinde especially NUP which is the leading operation part of Uganda Shaheji discussing joint interest kugira ngo base kubarito mu coalition so twina masiko kugira ngo mu discussion izo turagire n'ibintu bindi ntujya kureba ntwa arrivinga ibintu bindi tubasa kutikiza na sinjura candidate ya presidential ko kandi tubasa kugira okutwakwatagana especially umukuma karuru umukurinda karuru tuko sa structures ziriho na agents bitu abaruko mu bintu bindi ebi opposition
tuma yaba twinede kigazenga hi Peter Letters no answerem ombyafayo kurigira aporo ko yanashobora ubu abantu barakwatanise ku singa karuru nari ku yo government nemeno ndebiri abakayekana UPC muri nankaga nebiri then indijo coalition ekeri yaba hechera ku yo government chances ziringa yingo hati coalition yanyu ne ihawuje no Museveni first of all mumanyire ngo nichikonda jojo takusingwa single party
icyo kubanza PFF na anti tubakozire coalition bakozire cyo barukweta cooperation so bakozire kwatagana yo kugira ngo bineshonge zibikirezine okugira ngo bakwataganiremo konka ezorekerire no kureba ngo Uganda twafuna bwebembezi omu busingi kandi omukorecho bachikozire nkempanji yo kubanza ngo nabandi baturebero so nahabwecho itwenke kibinaka PFF nitushaba nabandi bakwasa kwicereza ngo tugire nkoragana yo kureba ngo twarwo mu opposition twazo mu government bije batwegito obani political parties obani trade unions nangwa no bakwa bakozi ba government ine nimwe abanyamahuriro ntibeta mutwegiteho aho kwebuzibe bituru kufuna nko opposition omwe no shanga nabandi no babisharinga ati nkabashomesa bariyo ni bekarakasa aba arts salary enhancement remere bakongera ba sciences bo baryaho barya street nabo bantu abantu tubashabije batwegiteho especially nkabaturna we John atire cinte myaka mingi bagumana bamwiha abandi no bahaba ubwa RDC babaho ubwa RCC mbabaha
John akajyango RDC takubwenda
na bwenda harashtabire turi akagiro yabuze
John nakubehera
harashtabire turi
ibogamba bera mazumba halo abantu abasimiri kuguma mu government na abantu bakaguma mu party harashtabire turaje mu government party era kurwa
harashtabire turi umwami John kasha akana yishengereza gutwabetine haza kara RDC kumbuza tukunkimwe marabirenkaye so nore ngo nabahibarwanye nico kureberana hati no mukugamba
naranzire mu bagamba katwire yagamba ngo
nico kurebera
but for your information
nico kurebera dio ni
John he has a very good appointment mu government
shaha twinenche
utaka kimangese so you lack information
nico kureberana no mukugamba at least nateka mu busungu ngo muntu abire side line so mbona abantu nkabo bona ito bashaba bize tukore cooperation kandi nangwana nabarukuteka ngo ite twayegita nabo batari bo kutwegitaho nite twayegita nabo ntutambuza ihango misho nitubakira
anda mudakikanje team yitu ya Tayari West niza kuba eri Chadondo Road kwakira no tworeka president arugara empapura no kumuhani ko mutongore umukono muza kuba kuri aha Tayari West live so butuntu nko butosha tubatoroho koreka chairman wa NRM president ibyo nakora twakoza kose dekike mu kwendera and answerem katuhendere program so going forward mwarangire coalition NRM kandi twayirizana handikwa abantu batekatekeke
cyo kubanza abantu buri muntu amudiniye azaha amaju ashabiri hange ahabwo kuba nchima isangu ebirebero hatwaza kufuna another rap nguto another rap marwaro another rap nebinda another rap ebibi mabare munonga
katwire bwire bwagena nebe yo kureba nebya
cooperation nyoti cooperation ya FF amana alliance nyo awanje into marking downfall yebi na ya parties zone
thank you
teni kera ba paromesho actually downfall complete a total downfall
abagize president
ya parties bombi
abagize president yabo kureba screen already kagambo kamwe
abagize president n'abakera mwena mwebare muno kujya kwakira candidate witu mwebare muno kunda party yita NRM twashemerwa abo kubareba
aporo
yes
so necho busasi kushanga President Museveni ariyo nagarike yo nagara impapura kushaba inchure ndije yamushanju bwanyuma y'abanyarwanda ebiturabiremu nawe ibyaremere kutebekanisa so nishanga abanyarwanda mwetegereze ibiriyo mbebaho konka nitwe twa twarangirire ngwire kuza kwijo misha
ishe wo kare no chairman wa PDM Burundi kuri wabo
omukuru John ka comment kamwe
to kubanza
ndenda kuza
media nyona member wa media nitu hale kwa makuru biko bitagaine kuba uhura amakuru ngagera ngo embe bibiri nguzegesire kwite kitunzu yari ukagera ngo breaking news embe bibiri ngo embe ba yaseja ngo nenga nguzi kozero ngo kitunzu cyaho aho no question ba munywano wanje ni nkora na government warata kuchimana emirimo nkora nayo I'm very well satisfied and well facilitated region Erum district Musanzu where the 7 RDCs report to my office musibe kuruja
ntwenda kwebaza tunawe John okutayira kashisha kandi ntwenda kwebaza Paul tumusime ogwayisimbe no mukarukanya bushozi bwa MP ntwenda kusima kutayira RCC omukuru Paul Katwire Karamuzi obare kutayira ogwo n'umunya Chiruhura
and spokesperson
PLU
Western
Uganda and so Aporo obeno shaba Paul yakaruru ko n'umutizwa karuru nitwe answer mundikora okurugibanda obere kutayira turi kwebaza batwatira kamera Obedi turi kwebaza omwami Peter turi kwebaza producer with Cliff na team yona ya Tayari West kuko uri kureba aha screen yawe Chadondo NRM offices orachi kureba president bakumuhinguza kandi bakamuhandika gukora ibintu bibiri kuba chairman wa party guno muri myaka 5 kandi kwate benere y'ikigombe abakaruko mwako gurkwija twenda kubebaza nabandi Bowazi tugareke tureba n'urwa mukasa biteri kwija musibe kurungi
here whether there is no dance from Bunyoro, yet we had it the other time. Could you call the entertainers from the Bunyoro sub-region if they are there, so that the Prime Minister, if they are there?
If we have that group, but for now, the group that is ready, please come. As Bunyoro, you also prepare. Danny Wiz for one item. Danny Wiz, please come with one item. The chairman of the electoral commission